Have you ever thought about building a vehicle that could survive a zombie apocalypse? Well, you may not have to build it yourself because it could be on roadroamer.co right now. What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about another vehicle breakdown. This one is very unique because it's not a van, it's not anything like I've ever seen, and it is meant for a zombie apocalypse. It's a super cool truck. We're going to talk about everything that it offers and the price, and usually I would use the RoadRoamer value tool, but I haven't made the full system of it yet because we're only pricing the Mercedes, Fords, and ProMasters. But this one, it's a little bit older and it's a little bit fun. So let's check it out. So this right here, it's essentially a zombie apocalypse step van. I don't know if someone built it out to be this way or if it just was this way forever. So we're going to check out the photos here. As you can tell right now, it has quite the wheels on it. If it were mine, I would make them a little bit more off-roady. This one looks like we're going to a car show with some really cool rims, and it looks lifted. So I don't know anything about it yet. We're just checking it out together as we go. There's a bed here. It looks like it folds out. You could honestly do a lot of stuff in here. You could make it yours. It looks like an empty slate already built out, but you go in and you add your finishing touches to it. You can see over there in the corner, it looks like a gas burning stove with a microwave that's smaller, some upper cabinets, I believe that is. And it looks like it has a swivel seat on the side. Maybe that's like a passenger seat, and there was a fridge back there. Let's check that out. Yeah, that's a fridge back there. I'm gonna assume that's the seat that we just talked about, but there are some actual storage boxes in the back here with a really cool door. I don't know if I've ever seen that, but it's on some pretty large struts that push it out. I think that's pretty cool. From the side here, this looks like some sort of like tire carrier. I'm not sure from the photos. As a zombie apocalypse vehicle, we need to put a huge bumper on this. It would be absolutely insane. We have good tread on the tires, some light bars. It would be super cool to see this thing built out and actually put into the zombie apocalypse type thing. We got an outdoor grill. That's pretty cool with the spare tire and the tire carrier that swivels out. This looks like an extra burner here. You could do like some big pot fires of a stew or whatever it is. And then not sure what these are. These kind of look like external boxes that go over them. That's all. That's what I'm going to assume, that go over the burners. So already in the comments, let me know what you guys think of this thing as a zombie apocalypse vehicle. So it's a 1987 GMC P30. I've never heard of it. I have no idea what it is, but it looks pretty cool. Only 102,000 miles for a 1987 GMC P30. That's very low miles. If you guys actually know, it's about 10 to 20,000 per year of miles that you would hit on your vehicle. So this thing hasn't been driven very far. And with the proper service, it's probably going to last a lot longer than you think it would. So we're just going to read the description here and go from there. So this is an exceptionally built custom RV bug out rig. Bug out, if you guys don't know what that means, it means if it hits the fan and you need to get the heck out of there, you can just jump in that thing, go and get off into the mountains and be away from everybody. It is fully self-contained unit in an amazing condition. Every system is ready to go. New tires with full-size matching spare. New battery bank. I'm not good at this. I'll do my best. Aluminum box 4x4 diesel solo. So it is 4x4. So you have that option. It has solar generators, water tanks, propane tanks, toilet, shower, sink, fridge, microwave. It has a TV, a CB, backup, cameras, security camera, custom bumpers, LED lights, retractable awning. I didn't see that. A gas grill, turkey fryer. That's what that thing was in the back. It's a big turkey fryer. Escape hatch, rooftop access, viewing platform, air ride. There's air ride in this thing, so it can be higher or lower. Large or small receiver, auto doorstep dropper thingy. This guy's funny. I don't know who it is, but this is super funny. Lots of storage area, fold down couch, and full-size bed. There's more, although this should get your attention. Thanks for looking, FB Troy Allen Tillman. So if you guys are looking, you want to contact him, you can either message him on Facebook or you can go right here and you can just send them a email directly from RoadRoamer. That's what I would recommend because I keep track of who's sending emails and who's receiving emails. That way I know that things are getting really popular on here and I want to know how many people are reaching out to them. So I think this is a cool vehicle. I don't know about the price. I can't really even plug it into like Kelley Blue Book or anything. It's just a unique vehicle. I personally, at 42,000, I have no idea how to gauge it. So this is really a what is it worth to you type situation. You could look it up probably somewhere and figure out exactly exactly how much the truck is stock basic by itself. It's not going to look like this. They probably have, if it's a 4x4 conversion, that could be up to $20,000 alone, and the wheels and tires, and there's some money into this thing, but I don't know if he's trying to make a profit off of it or just sell it. So he sounds like a cool guy just by the way that he was typing stuff out. He's just really funny. So I don't really know what to do with this. I think it's cool. I don't know if it's good value. I just think it would be something really cool that you could get and turn it into whatever you want to. Essentially a project thing. Even though it's like fully ready to go, you could still have some fun projects with this. I will say by far, this is probably the most unique rig that we've had on RoadRoamer.co, and it's so unique that I have no idea how much to price it. So we're just going to leave it at that. And I think you guys really enjoy seeing things like that. Are very different. They're not just the typical Ford Transit or Mercedes Sprinter. And we also have a bunch of other things coming to our videos. Like we just had our first RV listed, and you guys are going to be able to see a full RV tour, which that one's actually easy. It's only $29,000 for a full RV. This is long. It's great. We've got our Mercedes Sprinters. We have our Toyota Hiace. We've got a lot of really cool vehicles in here. So if you guys are looking for a van, a camper, anything and everything, we're trying to get it on RoadRoamer because it's an expedition vehicle website. It's not just van life. Also, if you own a Mercedes Sprinter, Ford Transit, or a Ram ProMaster, and you're trying to figure out how much to sell yours for, check out the RoadRoamer value tool. This is exactly how people are figuring out how much to price their van for, what's a high price, what's a low price, and what's the market value. It's super simple. Type in the year, the make, the model, the builder, if it's a DIY build or if it's a professional build, and then add in all the features that you have. And at the end, you'll see your price that we think your van is estimated at. Obviously, this is just a rough guide to help you price it or to purchase a vehicle. So it's a shorter video today because we didn't have a whole lot of information about it. It's just a super cool future zombie apocalypse vehicle, and I've always thought about building one of those out, and I think it'd be a fun project to do. If I had an extra $45,000, I'd be buying that thing tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to hit the comments below. Let us know what you guys think of this vehicle, and we will see you in the next video.